Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to learn about one important functions from Python's collection module, that is counter function. So if you want to count items in a list or characters in a string easily, we can use this function. So this counter is a special tool that helps us to count how many times each item appears in a collection. So it works something like this, like you give it a list or a string and it creates a dictionary where each unique item is the key and the number of times it appears is the value, right? So now we will go for some examples to have a better clarity how this thing works, okay? So first problem I am going to explain here is count numbers in a list. So for that, first I told we need to import this collection, like import this counter function from collections module, right? So collections, we can write import counter, okay? We need to note that C is capitalized, okay? Then we can initialize a list like numbers. Then I have some list. For example, I am giving then okay, this is my numbers list and I want to make a dictionary, right? Like using this counter. Then just to give counter, then in the parenthesis I can use this numbers list, okay? So if I am going to print this thing, I will get a dictionary with the keys as the number and value as the count, like how much time it repeats. You can see we get 4 3 times, 2 2 times, 1 1 time, again 3 1 time, 5 1 time, okay? So this is the output we got. So now we will understand this working of counter function using strings, okay? So for example, I want to count characters, how many characters in a string. So for that I can do something like this, counting characters in a string, okay? Characters in a string. So here I am assigning a string like str equal to, then I will type something like that, hello world, or will write hello coders. We all are coders, right? So I have a variable count, then I can write counter of, then inside that I can put argument as the string, right? So now if I am going to print this thing, I will get like h how many times, e how many times, like that, okay? So run code, I can see we got e 2 times, l 2 times, like that we got, okay? So in this string, counter counted how many times each character appears, including spaces.